p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What you running here, man?
2 Avatar 15s, a 7K amp, an itty bitty boom.
Battery, man.
Yeah, battery, my bad.
I already know. This yours right here, man. Sit that right there.
He's a beast, he's a so early on the sheet of the tablet in my mind, cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Come
Fade it.
Oh yeah, man. I so appreciate it, man. Y'all drove over these down here to the show?
We live over there in Madisonville. So
Oh, it ain't that far.
yeah, it's like a 10-minute drive.
Okay, I think we came right through there, yeah. Okay, I thought y'all drove along. Like 2 deals, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a 10-15 minutes.
So this is right here at home. Yeah, man, it was a good demo, man. I appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too, man. Whoa.